Confused about the US tax system? Whether you're an individual taxpayer or running a business, understanding how taxation works is essential. In today's video, I'll give you a simple introduction to the US tax system, breaking down the basics you need to know. Hi, I'm Janardhan Reddy, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the US tax system to help you grasp key concepts like income tax, deductions, credits, and how taxes are collected at federal, state, and local levels. This is the perfect video for beginners who want to understand the basics of taxation in the US. Let's get started. In the US, taxes are collected at three levels: federal, state, and local. The federal government collects taxes through the Internal Revenue Service, mainly through income taxes on individuals and businesses. Additionally, each state has its tax laws, and some local governments levy property and sales taxes. For example, while states like Texas and Florida don't have personal income taxes, others like California have higher income tax rates. It's important to know which state rules apply to you. The primary tax most people encounter is income tax. The US uses a progressive tax system, meaning higher income earners pay a higher percentage in taxes. Federal income tax rates range from 10% to 37% based on your taxable income bracket. Individuals report their income annually by filing a Form 1040. Employers also withhold a portion of wages throughout the year, which counts toward federal income tax payments. Two important concepts in tax filing are deductions and credits. A deduction reduces your taxable income, such as charitable donations or mortgage interest payments. The lower your taxable income, the less tax you owe. On the other hand, tax credits directly reduce the amount of tax owed. For example, the child tax credit provides a dollar-for-dollar reduction on your tax bill, which can significantly lower what you owe. Another key component of the US tax system is payroll taxes. These are taxes employers withhold from employees' wages to fund programs like Social Security and Medicare. Employers also contribute a matching amount to these programs. As of 2024, Social Security tax is set at 6.2% for both employees and employers, and Medicare is 1.45%. If you're self-employed, you're responsible for both portions, known as the self-employment tax. One of the most important aspects of tax compliance is meeting filing deadlines. The typical deadline to file your federal income tax return is April 15, unless it falls on a weekend or holiday. Extensions can be requested, but failing to file on time can result in penalties. The IRS imposes both late filing and payment penalties, so it's crucial to submit your return on time, even if you can't pay the full amount right away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content. I cover tax tips, personal finance, and more. Also, please drop your questions in the comments below. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Understanding the US tax system can seem complicated, but it becomes much easier once you grasp the basics of income taxes, deductions, credits, and payroll taxes. Keep learning, stay organized, and you'll feel more confident when it's time to file your taxes. See you in the next video.